Yeah.
Hi. What do I say?
What do you do first?
Grab 2 pieces of bread out. Then you open the peanut butter. He used to edit stuff out. Then
I don't want to edit it. Just go.
you just take out some peanut butter and put it on the bread. Are you in video?
Do you use your hand to get the peanut butter out?
No. Ew. Then you wipe the rest on that thing. And some more here. Then you open the jelly. Then you put some jelly in. Why are you making me laugh? You're gonna edit some out. You should edit some things out.
Or just go.
Just like that. Then you put it together. Then you cut it in half. Just because I feel like then you share it with your friend. And that's how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Bye.